Hello guys! Merry Christmas! Ouch! Wait. Oh, shoots. Oh my god. Hello everybody! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Yes, so today is December 25 and my children, as we promised that they can only open the gifts on Christmas Day, so today they are very excited to open them. Yeah, come, stay with Ate.
Okay.
And
Come.
yeah, stay with Ate. Come.
Okay.
She loved me, Mama.
I know, she love you. So thank you so much guys for the thoughts. We decided not to reveal the names on the boxes, on the gifts through YouTube, because we want people's privacy on who gives more or who gives less, because that's not really the important thing for us. It's the thoughts that you have given to our children. So Letty, what do you want to say to the people who give you gifts?
Thank you.
We love you.
From the bottom of our hearts, we say thank you. And stay safe. Can you say it?
Stay safe.
And we hope to see you next year. Right?
I'm hugging a gift.
Yeah.
Thank you.
My eyes are so red because Alicia poked me by accident.
Are you excited to open the gift?
So, yes. We're gonna start now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can
Give
do
me a
that. Yes? Yeah? What is that?
So once again guys, thank you so much for the gifts to my girls. We're so excited to open them. Please, I want you to know that no matter how big or how small your gifts are, we're really appreciating them with all our hearts, and we hope we can give you back the love that you give them. Thank you so much.
It comes with the pants.
Oh, wow.
See?
Try.
Yeah.
And this one here.
Can you say thank you for showing
Thank you,
me?
Aidenaya.
That's it, Mama.
That's it for that
Now
box?
let's open it.
Turkey!
Who give this?
Well, actually, that's from Aiden.
Aiden, see Aiden, wow.
Say thank you, Aiden.
Come.
I just said we don't reveal the names, but yeah, I want my kids to know too. Wow.
Found the windshield.
Now you have a doggy, Alicia. Oh, wow.
Oh, it's my zipper. That's from Kuya Haji. Oh, look.
Look at this.
Oh, Kuya Haji give you Minnie Mouse clothes.
Look at that. So soft.
It's a pajama.
Yes.
Pajamas.
Thank you, Kuya Haji.
Did you
Thank you, Kuya Haji.
Wait, who's this?
Here. Thank you.
Who's this?
This. So beautiful.
Mommy Tata.
It's so
That's Mommy Tata, yes.
changing colors.
Changing color?
Oh, look, you have nice socks too. Mommy Tata, look.
Sorry guys, we just said we don't reveal the names, but I think it's also very important that my children will know who is them,
I'm gonna give it to you. Open
and
it,
they
okay?
can't stop saying that it's from someone.
Who's this? Yeah, wait. Listen, baby. One at a time. You have to...
Oh. No, wait. Look what it says. Oh.
This is really Tita Joy's color.
This is pants too.
It is. No, I know.
For Alicia?
Okay, wait.
Say thank you, Tita
Letty.
Joy.
You didn't say thank you, Letty.
Thank you. Another one.
Okay, this
Oh,
one.
another one for Alicia from Tita Joy.
Who's this guy?
I don't know.
Ah, look,
That's from
Letty or
Santa
Alicia?
Claus. That's Alicia's.
Oh, yeah.
Santa bought me Play-Doh.
Yeah, Santa.
Yeah, that's
And
from
this is
Santa
Alicia.
Claus.
Look, Alicia.
Santa
This is yours.
bought
This
me
one.
a
Look.
Play-Doh.
Wow.
Maybe we can play it tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. tomorrow, okay?
Open it. Here. Whoa, look at that.
You like it?
Yeah.
See you guys.
Thank you.
Do you know that
Papa.
children are so happy, not about the price, but
Papa.
the things that they really love.
Oh.
You
Who gave you that?
It's from Tita Joy.
My favorite color.
Oh yeah, nice.
Now let's do another one. Alicia,
This one for Alicia. Open this. Open.
I want to
I help you? Here.
I
Come.
want to
Okay,
open
come.
this.
Alicia is collecting the
Oh.
Play-Doh.
Look at this. Alicia has
Wow,
two.
Alicia.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Amelia.
Say thank you, Amelia. Oh, nice. Same.
Same thing. Nice.
You have the same.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And it's always shoes.
Why it's always shoes? It's okay. It's good. You always use shoes.
You like shoes, right?
Again, clothes.
It's Kuya Gab.
Again.
Yeah. Jack, come open it.
Say thank you, not say again.
Come here.
Make a pee.
Letty, open this.
This one.
This one. From Kuya Gabi.
Put the shoes away, please.
Yeah.
No, here, together. Here.
But I love teddies.
Yeah.
I love
After.
Those are my favorite.
Thank you. Say thank you, Santa. It's from Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Okay, come here.
But Santa is really full.
I'm gonna send the video, okay?
Now, Mama,
Huh?
look at
Yeah.
tight.
Hmm?
Open this for Kuya Gabi. Kuya Gabi. For Letty.
Look at this.
Oh,
Open
Mickey.
it. Mickey.
No, it's Mickey Mouse.
Oh, nice. Now you have Mickey Mouse. Yeah.
It's a pajamas.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah.
Pajama
It's not really. Maybe you can wear out outside.
Oh yeah, I think I'll...
Say it.
Thank you, Kuya Gabi.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Oh, wow.
Wow, that's tail.
Look at that.
Papa.
Like it? What you say to Mommy Tess?
Thank you.
Thank you, who?
Thank you, Mommy Tess.
You happy?
Yeah. What?
Yeah, from Mommy Tess. Open. Wow. Look. Say thank
Oh,
you,
wow.
Mommy Tess.
Same. Twinning.
Look.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Yeah, sit down. You can sit down. Oops.
Kuya Gabi. Say thank you, Kuya Gabi.
Oh, thank you so much, guys. I love the way you give us. I'm sorry, but we love Twinnings, and you guys really know that we love Twinnings. You give the same. Thank you so much.
This one is for Letty. Come.
Papa,
Kuya RJ and Megan. Ate Megan. Yeah, and Kuya RJ. Wow.
another dog.
Kitty.
Oh,
Okay.
Kitty, kitty.
oh, it's a cat.
Say thank you, Kuya Gabi.
No, it's from
No, RJ and
Ate Megan.
Say thank you.
It's mommy.
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Kuya RJ
too.
and Ate Megan
Ninang Jo.
and Ninang Joy too.
And
And
thank you, Kuya Arjun.
Ate Megan.
Megan and Ninang Joe.
Yeah. Love Tita, Ninang Joe and Kuya RJ and Ate Megan. Here, Alicia, open. Okay. Wow, look at that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. The white one is for you. Say thank you, Alicia.
And
Say, look at Mama and say thank you.
Now she's gonna give it to me in front of my face.
hello, kitty. Let's go play.
Alicia, from Aiden. Come.
Cat?
Yeah, away.
Cat again.
Cat again? Oh, yes. It's a unicorn.
Oh, wow.
Look, from Aiden.
Say thank you, Kuya Aiden.
And something else.
Ah, wait,
Oh.
Letty, wait.
Look at that.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
Thank you, Kuya Aiden.
Look at that.
Oh, nice. That's a lot.
Oh, my toy.
Look at that.
My
Thank you. Thank you.
That's for Pro.
And thank you. Oh, there's another one. Thank you.
That's for Pro. But I'm gonna be the one who drinks that. Let Letty wait.
Yeah. Open it, Letty.
From who is that?
Who's that? Wait, wait.
From Aiden. Say thank you, Aiden.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Oh,
Again.
wow.
And again.
What?
Again. You love it? You like it?
Wait.
Wow.
Olaf is in the top.
Frozen.
Yeah.
But Olaf is in the top.
Yeah.
Alicia, look.
Look, Alicia. Frozen. Look.
You guys can share.
Look. Wow.
That's from Aiden to Maria.
Thank you. Thank you, Aiden.
My favorite is Olaf.
Letty, what did you say?
Thank you,
Aiden,
Aiden.
Wow.
So many balls.
Yeah.
For Ali or Letty?
It's for both of them.
Okay.
Say thank you, Mommy Tata.
Thank you. No, see, this one, the socks. Look at this sock.
Thank you, Mommy, Tata, and Nanay.
Look, this one. Look, unicorn. Mother unicorn. Wow, look at this.
Wow.
Like it?
Alicia, you love it? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Papa and Mama. To Ali. For Ali. From Papa and Mama. Open, Ali.
Alicia, open it.
Alicia, open.
Wait, Letty, wait.
Okay, wait, Daddy.
Wait, let you see first, Letty.
Letty, look. You have to see what is it first.
You have to check.
Oh, what is this, Alish?
What is it?
Shoes.
Oh, nice. Look at that, Alicia.
Yeah.
Alicia.
I'm gonna have that.
Wait for your turn.
Mama, I was
Okay.
gonna join.
To Letty.
Tita.
Tita, go.
Look, Letty.
What is that?
A cat.
Open it up.
Cats would like it. The same one?
Not same one.
The same?
Same of what? What is this? What is this?
The same like this.
Do you like it?
Mama!
Are you ready to skate?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Okay, put it back in here.
That's from Papa. Papa and Mama.
Okay, open this one.
From who?
Right here.
Mama and Papa.
No, read it.
This is
Tita Janice, Tito Nads, and Baby Nathan.
Open.
Open it. What will you say first?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tita John, Tita Janice,
Tita Janice,
Tito Nads,
Tita Nag,
and Baby Nathan.
and Baby Nathan.
It's okay, rip it. Rip.
Here, go from here. On the side, yeah.
Isha.
That's for Diti and Alicia.
Yeah. It's just a box.
Oh, open it inside.
Check first. Don't judge. So guys, thank you so much for sending this through Amazon.
Just open it.
Just
Okay. Here we go. Wow.
Elsa and Minnie Mouse.
What is it?
Oh.
Oh wow.
Minnie Mouse.
Another
and Elsa.
Frozen. No, I think it's Frozen.
Yeah.
Can you open them?
Yes.
Minnie Mouse.
Is it Minnie Mouse?
No,
Check
no,
check
no.
first.
Minnie Mouse doesn't have a crown. Anna too.
Can you open? I want to see.
Open.
I'm so excited about the dress up.
Look at this. Look at that.
Oh,
Look,
nice.
it's not Minnie Mouse. Look.
Oh.
Now you have another costume.
See?
It's a costume.
You like it?
Anna.
Say thank
It's
you.
Anna. Yeah, it's Anna and Elsa.
This one.
Yeah, you're gonna have a dress up
Look,
after,
even
okay?
have earrings. Look at that.
I want to put it in my ear.
have to look.
My Elsa. I want to open it now.
Like it, Abby?
Again?
A box again.
This is really tricky.
It's very tricky.
Why?
It's not really tricky.
My Elsa.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Ah. Wow.
Another pack.
Oh wow, look at that. It's from Melissa.
Melissa?
But what is this?
Thank you,
Thank you, Elsa.
Look,
What
look,
is
look.
Elsa?
It's from Ninang Melissa.
Melissa.
Thank you, Elsa.
Nina Melissa.
Elsa.
Oh.
I want to open this.
Yeah, you can open that after. I want to see the costume.
What's this one?
Anna, that's for Alicia.
The same one.
Check.
Like before.
Yeah, now we can have so much costumes for dress up. Yeah?
Yeah, we love a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody.
Okay, time to clean up the wrappers and the boxes. So hey you guys, as what we mentioned, we don't want to mention the names before, but we cannot avoid it. And
We want the
children-
kids to know
Yes.
who give them the gifts.
Yes. So they're very happy about all your gifts. I hope you know how grateful we are, and I hope we can give it back to you in another way. Or yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Merry Christmas, and I hope our New Year will be not like 2020. I just don't like 2020 at all, but we're just very thankful that we are healthy, we're okay, and yeah, all the best for the year 2021. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, for those who didn't subscribe our channel yet, it's Mama Vic here. Subscribe, like, share, and bell button so you can follow our next videos. Bye bye.
Bye.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed